Sure, hotel room tours are overdone, right? Not quite. There's something weirdly satisfying about seeing how strangers sleep in luxury. The ASMR factor? It's all about the textures, the little clicks of light switches, and the soft drag of curtains. The moment I step into a hotel room, there's this sort of collective pause before it's game on. That first door click is oddly addictive. You're now in a liminal space that's yours, temporarily, but still yours. Pro tip, always check out the bathroom first. Not sure why this is a weird, unspoken law of hotel tours, but it is. Sliding doors, rainfall showers, that's where the sounds come alive. And nothing says relaxation mode like fluffy white towels. The bed is, of course, the centerpiece. You know the drill. Pull apart those layers of linens, all crisp and featherlight. If it's a fancy place, the mattress bounce test is essential. The mic captures every satisfying crinkle. Here's the pain point, though. Lamps. You'd think they'd make switches extra obvious for jet-lagged guests, right? Nope. 5 tries later, you've accidentally turned on a desk lamp across the room and scared yourself. A modern comedy of errors. And then the minibar. I mean, you can't not open it, even if you're not touching those $12 gummy bears. The little clink and hum of the mini fridge. Gold for ASMR enthusiasts. Just don't glance at the price list too long. Windows are underrated stars in these videos. That slow sound of curtains gliding open to reveal a view, whether it's neon city lights or a parking lot, sets the vibe. No view? Close them dramatically. It's an art form. Room service menus can be oddly therapeutic. The smooth paper, the textural difference of flipping pages. Bonus if they come with that leather-bound folder. Read at least one overpriced entree out loud. It's a ritual. Even the desk can be pure ASMR gold, the quiet hum of organizing pamphlets, opening stationery drawers, testing out the chair. Extra points if it squeaks. And that desk lamp switch? Try it once. Click it again for the audience. The closets. Slide that mirrored door to reveal hangers, a safe you'll never use, maybe one fluffy bathrobe if you're lucky. Pro tip, always test the hangers. The click-clack can be unexpectedly soothing or hilariously loud. The thermostat. Sure, it's functional, but the soft beeps and tactile buttons, peak ASMR content when done right. I like to drop the temp a few notches, just for dramatic effect. You'll thank me when the air kicks on. Finally, end with the lights off, shut down every switch in reverse. The audience loves that finale. The last click sort of seals the hotel room magic. Close the video with a whisper, "Good night," and fade to black.